In this video, we're going to demonstrate putting a product, or a blueprint as the case may be, into the Agility 10 marketplace. So we start from the admin perspective, highlight store, which will bring up this menu. In order to get this menu, a student or a user must have the store admin rights. The scenario that we have here is I am an administrator and I am putting together a blueprint to be used by my policy testing team. So I'm going to start by adding a blueprint that I've already created, and we're going to give this name provisioning constraint. And you want to be very descriptive. Blueprint agility visioning policies. And you want to be as descriptive as you can, because you have to assume that the end user may not know what you're looking for, what they're looking for. So in this case, multiple instances to test whether policies are actually working. This is an area again where you want to be descriptive. The other thing that you have the option of doing policy, so I could say it's going to cost me $50 up front and then $20 per hour as an example. And then from there we're going to go to the asset and we're going to select our blueprint. And there's our provisioning constraint blueprint. In order for a blueprint to be available from this view, all of the assets must be checked in. So any packages, scripts, or policies, stacks that are applied to this blueprint, all of them must be checked in. They cannot be work in progress, or this will fail. So we select our blueprint. The next thing that we want to do is add our categories. So in this case, we could do policy tests, and maybe even developer tools if we wanted to. So as you can see, the product can be in more than one category. Since these are Linux, maybe I can add them there as well. So we're going to add the category. We also have the advantage of doing additional images. So if I had an image that I wanted to upload for this, I could do it here. I could also, look at additional properties if I needed to. So we are going to go ahead and save the product. The next thing we need to do is add it to a catalog. So in this case, we have a policy testing catalog that we've already given full access for everyone. In the real world, we obviously would have used a policy admin group or a policy testing group. So what we're going to do is go ahead and add that product to the list. So we're going to go take the new provisioning test blueprint that we just did, add that to our group, and now we should be able to see it within the marketplace. And there is our provisioning test blueprint along with the numbers that we put on it. So now all the admin would need to do would be to download that blueprint and deploy it to test their policies. Thank you.